Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are following the Shareit YouTube channel and also the Instagram where I'm sharing daily live stream from morning 11 o'clock Indian time to 1 o'clock, and we'll be discussing daily like Nifty 50 top gainers and you know top performers in the market. And I'm also conducting intraday trading course. It's an evening course, so evening daily 6:30 to 7:30. It's an online course where anybody can join. I'll be explaining more about the course. If you want to know about the course, you can check the description of my channel, and also on any videos you can see that details. In the live stream, I'll also be discussing that. So today, let's see how the market is going on. It's already not all the products are doing good. Let's see what is the current status. So now we are watching the official NSE India government website where you can see advance is 21 products out of and decline is 29, which is almost like a 60-40 it's going on, or 55-45 it's going on. And you can see how the market started. It went up nicely, but at the time of now like 10-20 onwards it's like going down here, so we hope it'll come up. So that's 25,800 is a good mark. So let's see how that it crossing it, and how it is trying to survive. Okay, so what are the 21 and 29 products which is doing in the Nifty 50? Let's see that. So if you watch Tech Mahindra, M&M, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Financial Service, and Wipro, these are the five markets are doing good. Both Bajaj products are doing good. And if you see another Bajaj automobile is not doing that great, it is going in the top five of not performing. Asian Paint, Maruti, Hindustan Liver, and Tata Steel. So if you see like here, Tata Steel yesterday also we discussed at 169, we seen today's 166. It's not doing good. Yesterday it was doing good. So let me take Wipro today because the price value is good. It's looking good here for medium traders. And I also want to talk about M&M. And also we can do Tech Mahindra. You see like 1,700 mark and 3,000 value and 500 value. So we can easily take this Wipro, M&M and Tech Mahindra. And from here I can take again Tata Steel, but yesterday we seen the Tata Steel, so we'll find out which we can do on the downside. Okay, so and this is like an yesterday thing, we've seen Tata Steel, Adani, Reliance and all those things. And in the classes we also discussed, in the evening classes we also discussed about investing short-term intraday trading using 1 lakh rupees in ITC, and how you can buy 1000 units on this current price on a given time, and how you do a sell order and exit at this time using the previous day candle. So we just did back testing, and we started earning some money in that. So then we also calculated how much percentage we are getting when we are doing this kind of profit from your capital. And we also discussed, how many days if you do like that, then you can get your capital double, you know. So that time your entire capital will, get doubled when you do 30 days trading with the same mindset, with the same discipline. And this 3% from your daily profit comes to a what kind of zone, you know, what kind of zone it is, like in a 100 mark of thing, like these are all the points. So there are a lot of things we are discussing in the daily classes. So I just want to remove all those things. Okay. Now the products what we selected is Techem, M&M, and Wipro. Okay. So right now we are not looking at any stuff here. So I'm gonna delete all the content which is written here, and I'm gonna delete all the content which is written here. So we are very clear right now. Three products which is trying to go up, and let's see what's happening. So let me open the trading view. Tech Mahindra Limited. You're watching a lot of candles because of it's a 1 minute candle, so I'm just make it as a 5 minute one. So we are starting in the October 1st. A lot of new rules came today. You can see from the website, we can check that out also later. It's a 5 minute candle, so it tells about a lot of stories. The market went up, then it was sideways, right? So let me check that first with my indicators. Okay, so according to the indicators, it already, reached the height here. That's the good height it reached. Now there are two ways to happen. One is maybe it will go to 1660, or it might come down to 1600, which is 23 rupees down or 40 rupees up if the market performs well. Now might be it goes up, there's a chance like that. Okay, so let's do the numbers. 1624. So we are seeing the current price as 1624 at the time of 11:08 a.m. Yes, that's good. Predictions by predict we are doing. You can see 1624 by predictions. If the market goes up, definitely it will touch 1630 and also 1635. It's huge possible if it is going up. Okay, 1630 is possible. 1635 is also possible. 1640 also possible, but I'm going to put that in a star. But actual prediction, if you see, it might go up to 16 after it touches 40, very easily. If it goes very easily, then we have a chance of 1650 and 1660. That's a huge possibilities out there. Okay, now what about the sell? Sell, I would say 1620. It has to cross 1620. Once it crosses 1620, then it can go till 1615 and 1610. 1600. I would say 16.5. Yeah. So these three are possible. Okay. So there are a lot of predictions we did immediately. So shall we go and put the lines for this? Yes. Lines and text. We'll do both. 1630. Yes. So that's the light green. Which green we need? We'll go for this green. Copy paste. 1635. Three points are there. Then what else? We have 50 and 60. We don't have to do it right now. Then we'll do some confusions happen here. Okay. 1650. It's considering as a number, that's fine. Got it. So 16, 15, 10, and 0, 5. Done. So we'll do the text also. Okay. Sell targets. Done. So we already navigated this, and current time also we can, if you want to, like 11:08 we did. There is something called anchored text. Let me try this. I'm locking this here so that you can't move it. Anchor text. I don't know how this works. Okay, I'll learn that later and I'll come to you. Correct. So that's the current price. We logged in at 16:24 and 11:08 a.m. That is also there. I can keep it here so we know that. Then we have sell target at 16:15, 16:10, and 16:05. And 16:24 is a very good number. So, you can, from there, 16:15 is almost like, 11 points. And yeah, from there, we'll keep increasing five points. And also from the buy call, you can see we have 16:30. So from 16:24 it's like a 6 rupees up, and 35 and other stuff going on. It's going on like that. So the next product we have is M&M. So before going that, I want to check how this is performing. Yes, still M&M is there, but we lost the Wipro. We have SBIN, right? So let me open M&M. I don't think this is the one. This is M&M Muthoot Financial Service. Let me get the script from there. M underscore M. Here they are using M underscore M. Yes, it's 3000, the same one. Okay, when you are seeing M&M, let's see what's happening in this. Mahindra and Mahindra talks about, yes, this is a right buying opportunity is there. From there, it's trying to go up. Let me see like how much it will go up. So right now we are seeing like 313650. So let me code that 3136.50. We are logging at seeing at it like 11:20 a.m. Yes. Then, so what are the predictions on this? The predictions are still tech miners going on. The predictions are huge chance to go up 3136, right? So yes, 3150 is possible, 60 is possible, 70 is possible. But I'm gonna make it like a break of 45, 3155, and 3165. These are the breakings I'm giving. And for sell, I would say it can touch up to 3125. Right now it's, yeah, 3125 is possible. If the market goes down, yeah. After that, we have to think there is a chances of to go to 3120 also, but that is not confirmed. So right now, this is the scenario. So right now you can see the market is 3137. So let me you know, so we came at 31. So that's our projections. This is at 3145. Next one is 3155. And the last one is 3165. That's it. So we'll copy this by target also. I'm gonna place it here. Place it here. Yes. It's a few minutes job. That's why I'm doing this so that you'll have a clarity when you're watching it. Later time also you can compare it with your chart. So it will be useful for you to do this kind of little design work. Say now you can just see this and make it 3125. Yeah. And another one is 3120. That's it. So right now we are here. Let's see this. This one is now you see because of this line aligned properly, we can see whether it's going down. Yeah, it's trying to touch this 6150. Right now it's 6120. We started at 6124, 4 rupees down, 4.5 rupees down. Tech Mahindra, and it is trying to touch this thing. M&M, we started with 3136.50 at 11:20 p.m., 11:20 a.m. and right now it's 3138, 2 rupees up, and it's fighting. So our first target is 3145, which is here. So we have 3 targets set it up if it is going up. Okay. So what else we have here? We have Wipro again and SBN. So we'll be seeing the Wipro. So the Wipro chart is here. Let me check about Wipro. So the current market price is 547 something. It's going up and down. Let me check. Let me find less. 547.20. So let's spin that first. So that is where we are starting, right? So 547.20 at time of 11:26 a.m. Okay, now what's happening in Wipro today is like a buy mode. Clearly, we can see that, and it also reached its height at 548. 548, you can see here, it also already reached its height. Okay, so now it's almost in 547, which is doing good. It's 547, yes, right. Let me see, anything is happening here. Nothing is happening. It's trying to come. Okay, good. Okay, so meanwhile, we'll see like 546. So what if it goes up? Will it go up? Yep, there is a chance, but only 5 rupees. 5 rupees chances are there. So let me bring this and copy this content. That's for Wipro. Right? Now, let's write it here. Predictions. Now I'm gonna give like, if you are okay, like I can give you, we started at 47.20, so 5 rupees I cannot give, maybe I can give 2 rupees. 549. Yeah. But right now that is also a doubt because it might go or not. If it is touching 549, it will definitely touch 550 also. 550 also possible. If it is touching 549. Sell call, yes, I can clearly tell you 545. Even that's it. So it's a very small sell call. Let me put the buy targets in Wipro so that it will be very easy for to draw a line. Done. Now time to draw 2 green lines. 549, which is here. Then 550, which is right there. Yes. Now two targets are there, very nearby, but it will take some time to go there. 545 is the one of the target, which is here, which also looks very near, but low price. So, you cannot expect so much. So right now, these are the targets for Wipro. Okay, let's go and check what's happening in M&M. We came at 31360. Right now, the market is on the same place. It's peddling, it's breathing, but it's not touching the targets. Techem is trying to touch 1615. We came at like 1624. You can see that right now it's 1619, which is almost 5 rupees down. So if you're backtesting it, you can practice this. Before investing money, I want you to do a lot of backtesting. Don't just jump into the market when you have little knowledge, because it's very hard earned money. So I want you to be very careful. If you really want to learn what we are doing and what are the indicators out there, I want you to now you see I'm giving this kind of prediction based on indicators and also other analysis techniques. So I want you to do a proper knowledge, then gain some confidence from the knowledge, and also practice more in using backtesting methods and investing very small amount in live market, where you can achieve some kind of returns as a profit. Okay, so we also have the program, we are running it, so you can join this program. I can put this link in our live stream. You can always join that. Every Thursday we are starting a new batch where we'll be teaching. You can see that what we are teaching also. Like I'm giving some review videos on that, like a 1-minute video I'm just posting, so you can easily understand what we are doing in the class. We you can also follow our Insta page, which is shareit.care. And this program mainly, like, we developed like two levels, right? First two levels, which will be not connected to the market directly. In the first level, we'll be understanding chart trading, stock selections, buy and sell executions, what is stop loss, what are the strategies in stop loss, and what are the advanced techniques, like indicators, understanding the market flow and scalping techniques, moving average, and all those other stuffs. So once the level 1, which is a 20 days course, daily 1 hour, so Monday to Friday, so this 20 days will be spread out in a months of time. So once you finish that month, then you move to level 2. For the level 1, you are paying 3,000 Indian rupees to get that course. You will be added into a specific WhatsApp community, and you will be shared all the links where you will understand how to really do this. And in level 2, again, it's another 20 days spread out for a month, Monday to Friday, 1 hour, where we'll be sitting and doing 3 daily paper trades in your morning times, and you will be discussing that in the evening with me, where you will be focusing your analysis, your discipline, and I will be guiding that. once it's done, I'll take you to the level 3 where you come up with your little fund or whatever the investment you want to keep it. I want you to be very, very small because we are starting it very small. So I'll be monitoring your live market and I will be refining your strategy. So whatever the knowledge gaps you are getting from level 1, I'll be doing it using a paper trading in level 2 so that gaps I can fill it. Then whatever the confidence gap you have, I'm filling up with that in level 3 where you get a lot of experience. So level 1 is full of knowledge. Level 2, we are trying to get a lot of confidence. In level 3, we are aiming for an experience. Okay. Once this all levels done, then you can work like an independent trader. Whenever you have free time, you can do that intraday market like 9 to 3. So you can do that. At the same time, you can, work with some companies if you want. There are a lot of trading companies so that you can work there. Also, you can change your career, and or you can also join my team, and we can do something better in this. So the main purpose is to get the financial freedom. So these are the stuff which is going on here. I want you to follow that daily live stream and other stuff. Let's again check on the Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is again trying to pump up. What's happening in Mahindra? Again, the market is peddling. It's not going up or down. We entered at 3160. Yes, now you can see Wipro is trying to touch, let me take the crosshair. Wipro is trying to touch the 548.65 mark. Our target is 549. So let's see what happens. We have to wait and watch. Meanwhile, we can check the downtrend market, which is going good here. Let me refresh. You can see a newcomers like Infosys. And here I want to try Hindustan United Liver company. Let's see that what's happening in Hindustan Unilever company. Okay, so you can see a very good rally which is happening here. Let me see that. Okay, wow. So yeah, a lot of things happened here. It already reached this downtrend. Started like here and it went down. Almost if you see like 2963 to 2893. My God. That's a huge fall. You can see that. It's a very huge fall from here to here. Okay, so what are the chances? Right now we are entering into 2895. 2895 at the time of 11:40 a.m. Product is in Unilever. I hope I put right script name. Yes. Now let me restore this. Yes, 2895 we logged in. So what's our prediction on this? Let's write the prediction first so that we can make a lines and text there. So chances of going down, I would say yes. And the chances of going up is also yes, because it went so down. So if it is goes up, I would say 2, 9, 10. Direct 2, 9, 10. Can I break this number? Yes, I can break it with 2905, comma 29, 10. Two numbers I can break up with. Then if it is going down, I would say 2890. It's possibilities there. 2885 is also possibilities there. Possibilities are there. It can go more also, but I don't want to say right now. If it is falling a lot, then it will fall to, I'm just taking a long break here, 277, sorry, 2875. Sorry for that stop. And 2865 is also possible. It's a huge jump. You can see that. Huge jump. I'm not going to draw lines also for this. Yes. So these are the possibilities of that by going down and up. So let me bring this here. I think it's already trying to reach 2905. Sell targets. Hope you guys are not getting confused of what I'm doing. Okay, so let me draw the green line first because it's trying to achieve that. You can see it. 2905. 2905. Yeah. You can see two, 0.5 points I'm losing here and there, but it's okay. Don't have to be very precise because we already have the numbers. It is just for us to understand. Yeah. So two targets on the top, and let me pull the 2890. Two eight eight five. Yes, you can see M&M crossed 3145. That's our target. I'm just gonna edit here. 3145 hit at 11:44 a.m. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here also in M&M. Yes, done. So market is trying to achieve. What about this? No movement. Let me refresh it and see. Yes, no movement. Wipro is trying to do something, and this guy is trying to do something here. Did I finish copying, pasting everything? So there's an anchor test, so wherever I move, it's moving with me. Now I understand what is that. So the sell targets from Techem, it's not achieving, it's went down, but still it's going up and down. But here you can see one target has been achieved. We entered like 3136 and we got 3145 was hit. And Wipro is also trying to fight here. We entered like 547.20. We want 549 to hit. It's trying 50 paise, and you can see Hindustan Unilever is trying to achieve our buy target, which is 2905. Right now it is 2904.80. And M&M is 3150. More 5 points, we will achieve that. So we got one hit here today. Market is trying to achieve something here. Let's see what's happening in NSE India. Unilever comes first round, and we have Bajaj Auto, Indus India, Titan. All these products are going good. You can see stocks trades, advance, declines, unchanged. Number of stocks today reached 1 year high, 52 weeks high, which is 82 stocks achieved that. And number of stocks which achieved 52-week low, the 1 year low price, which is 28 stocks. So let's see what are those stocks which achieved low today. So these are the stocks name. You can check out whether your stocks are there in this. 28 records has been placed here. And when it comes to high market, these are the products. Britannia is the Deepak Fertilizers, Eureka Forbes, Fortis, Gold Bees, ICC Prudential. Okay, good. It is still trying 3151. Wipro is also trying. What happened to this? Hindustan Unilever Limited is like touched this. We can see the twig is coming. So 102905 is touched actually on 1145. You can see the twig which is crossing here. I can show you in a dot. Dot also showing crosshair. Yeah, you can see here the twig has been crossed. So we can consider that because that is what the mark happens. It crossed and you hit the target. So which happened in 11, maybe 49 or something. 2905 hit at 11:49. Okay, okay, so we predicted at 11:40 in 9 minutes. That has been done. So which is in Hindustan Unilever. So even in M&M also we predicted at 11:20 in 11:44. Market performed. So 2 buy hit has been done today. And Mahindra is like trying to go up and touch this 3155, which is our second target. Already the first target has been done. Wipros keep peddling. It tried till here, like 48.55, 50 paise. It couldn't do it, so it's now coming down again. This also touched this 2905 mark. Now it is again breathing. Mahindra and Mahindra is trying its level best. You can see that. Three one five one, 4 more rupees, 4 more points to get the target. Now it's 3153. Automatically jumped so fast. 3 was 350, 315.50. You can see how fast it is trying to jump. And 3155. We got the target of 3155 at time of 11:53. Now our next target is here. So let me log this. So this is what we got, 2 targets here. Let me green this. Green is not working. Yeah. Hope you can see now better. Make everything bold. So what's happening in Hindustan Liver? It touched here. It's still pedaling down. Wipro is surviving. And this guy is touched 1570.50. You can see a very good jump. We started at 313. Sorry. We started at 3136. Now we got 3155 target achieved, which is almost like a 20 rupees, 20 points up. We can see here, which is a huge, and even the price is also very heavy. So this kind of jump will happen easily. Tech TechM is still surviving. 3124, only 1 rupees down, and because it's going up and down, 5 rupees down it went. Now it is again going up. 3158. Our target is in 3165. You can see the target, the last target. Wipro also there. Hindustan Unilever is again trying to touch the second target. It again touched it also. You can see it touched. But we are not considering that hit again because we already considered this hit. One time is already done, so we are not going to consider again. But if you want to do more, you can do it again and again, the scalping point of view. But I'm expecting 2910 that hit, so that we can close the buy targets from Hindustan Unilever for today. M&M touched 3160. You can see here 3160 has been touched. Let's see how it survives in the market. What are the other new markets? Tech Mahindra, yes, we are already seeing. M&M is, we are seeing. Wipro, we are seeing. And Hindustan Unilever, we are seeing. Maybe we can try Indus India Bank if you want. We have a lot of time, so we can do that. But I want to wait and see whether, because it's just now entered in the market, I want to wait till 12.5 and see whether this is sustaining in this bottom, so that we can enter and do something. Okay. Now Tech Mahindra is not doing anything because, as I said, it's already achieved its point. It might, go here and there. That's it. M&M is doing good. Wipro is trying to come back again, but it is not achieving 549 because again Wipro also, market is saturated today. I cannot show you the 9 to 11 o'clock market because I'll be in the market. So you can see Hindustan Unilever is touching again the target 12905. Now 2906.90, which is almost 2907. You can see the numbers here. So more you watch the live stream, you will be understanding better, like what's exactly happening in stock market. Because I've seen many students and my friends, like whenever they see the chart, they'll be getting a lot of confusion of like what is really happening. And That's why I'm saying this. You can see it's already touched 162.50. It already touched it. I hope this will go and touch 3166 or 3165. But our target is 3165, so that's what we are waiting for. So TechMahindra is not moving, but stuck. I can see active market in this. M&M is pounding very nicely. Even Wipro is getting some kind of strength here. Hindustan is pedaling on 2906, which is good. 4 more points to achieve the second target. Even Tech Mahindra is getting some energy here. It's trying to go up. But if you did a buy sell target, you'll be in loss. Why? Because we are expecting 1615 to hit. Right now we are getting into the current price, which is 1624, our base price. Yes, Wipro is 548.30. Previously it touched 5.60. So if it crosses that, we can expect some kind of movement. We want Wipro to cross 548, cross actually, not to touch 548.45, and you can see M&M hit 3166, which I told you, and our target is 3165. So we got 3 targets back to back in M&M today. That's what the indicator is all about. It will tell you, it will guide you properly. You can analyze it. With that, you can make a lot of profits. Okay, so we achieved all the 3 targets. So if you see, we started like 3136.50. Let me consider as 3137 and 372, 45, 8, then one more 10, 18, almost 28 points we got today in M&M. Okay, let me add something called remarks. So for M&M is how many points we got? 28 points profit, which is awesome, right? So if you invest some money in that, you would have got into 28 times in M&M. I want you to do the back testing properly and do that. See, it's going for 3172 also, which I don't want to go so far on that because we already stretched our leg a lot here. Is there a chance? Yes, there is always a chance. But if you see here, we already achieved whatever we want. So M&M 3 targets we got, and in Hindustan Liver we got 1 target. Let me check what's happening in Hindustan Liver. It is still struggling. Wipro is trying to cross this 50 mark, then again it is coming down, and Tech Mahindra too, it's not achieving that. Now it reached its height because 166 is the height. Now it is has to come down. This I call it as a volcano effect. You know, whenever you have this much pressure and you break the tip point, you will not just come down immediately. You will go little up and come down. So I call this as an eruption, volcanic eruption. So that might happen. So you don't have to ask like you said 165, but it went up more than that. Okay, it went up almost like 7 rupees, 6 rupees, 5 rupees, like that. It goes and comes back. That's what it's all about. At the same time, we have to play a very safe game. That is also there. I'm planning to remove Tech Mahindra because there is no activity there. I thought it will hit first. The market is acting weird, so I don't know what to do. You see, M&M is still going up. People might want more targets on this. 175. We said 165, 175 also gone. Wipro is struggling. Even Hindustan Liver is not doing. Okay, suppose if you want to know the M&M, let's check what M&M can do for us. Yes, M&M has a possibility to go till 3190. Can you believe that? If you want, we can add few more targets because the possibility is there. I mean, the wild possibilities are there. So I don't want to mention 3175 because I didn't predicted it. But when I'm saying this, I can see 3180 is possible. I want to change that green thingy. And 3190 is also possible. Yes. So if you want, I can add one more thing on 3180. Another one on 3190. These are the new targets I've added because after checking the thing, I can see there is a chance to go. Market has an ability can do that. It can go more than that also. Even that is also possible. I'm just copy this. I'm gonna add extra targets onto this. So as you can see that it is again trying to get that target. Wipro. Hindustan is still there in 2905. It is trying to get the 2910 mark. Tech, I don't know what's happening. Like it is like fully static. Wipro is again coming to the base price. M&M is doing the hero moves today. You can see it's like 3176. If you're trouble seeing here, you can also see here. So it'll be like very easy to understand the marketplace. It's 3179 right now. We started observing this market from 3136. So when it reaches 3186, which is almost 50 points, we are observing it today. I know why we are losing the connections again and again. You can see when one kind of market going, the other market is not happening because of the industry what they deal in. So 3179.5020 mm, because the industry what they are doing, the Mahindra what their products and Wipro products is totally different. Tech Mahindra and Hindustan Unilever, that product is different. So right now you can see 180, it got hit at the time of 12:12. So 3180 hit at 12:12. See how fast it is hitting. We also missed 175 point here, but it is okay because I don't want to, you know, predict so much for you guys. And you will get overwhelmed. That is why. So you can see a lot of buy targets has been achieved today. 4 buy targets from M&M and 1 buy target in Hindustan Unilever. And Hindustan Unilever is also trying its best to get its 2907 right now. All the markets are trying to come up. Whatever the markets which is going down from market is trying to come up now. But again, not all the market. Wipro is trying a real hard. So that's why I try to avoid, something which is less than 1000, because you are in intraday. Intraday is all about the day, the time of 9:15 to 3:15. So I want you to use the time wisely. So you can see, I think it touched 2909.95. Yes, it got a touch of 2910. Hindustan Unilever hit the second target at 1214. And I'm not having any other targets on this, because even this target itself I gave you with a very strong doubt, but still it performed. So we got 2 targets hit today. We got almost 6 targets totally from M&M, 4 targets, and Hindustan Unilever 2 targets. We started from 2895. From there we got 2905 and 2910. So I would say like 15 points from here. Now, when you see here, we are starting from 3136 150. So forget about the 50. Let's talk about 3137. 37 to 45. We have almost 8 points here. Plus 10, 18. Then plus 10, you have 28. And 10 more points I'm losing because I'm not predicted 75 point. But from 75, we have 5 more points. So 33 we got. So total 33 points. Otherwise, we would have got 43 points. But still, there is a chance for it. For M&M, it will try to go to 90 mark. If it touches that, then you will be getting more points. So here we already achieved 2 targets. This is good. I don't want to do this anchor thing. Anchor is moving everywhere. So market is doing good. So we might think, what about the third target in Hindustan Unilever? Okay, you can see Mahindra 185. We are starting from 3136.50. It's almost 50 points we are observing in the market. It's so huge for intraday traders. Mahindra and Mahindra is performing good. It always does this kind of very big wave, very volatile market. You can see we predicted 110, 910, it goes up to almost 13. If you want to see another target in Hindustan Unilever, we can try that. Let me check. There is a chance to go to 2920, but I'm not sure. Two nine two zero. There is one target is there. There is a chance to go there. I'm adding one more target there. Also, I'll add it here. 2920. Make it black, which is not achieved. I don't know. It's not happening. No problem. Now this is coming down. Let's see how it breathes. And here it is still trying 25, 35, 26. Tech Mahindra. So we have a third line which is waiting for us to do something. Yes, Wipro achieved his mark, the first buy target. Here we said 549, which is a starred one, right? Let me check again. Yes, 549, which is a starred one. Wipro achieved that. Wipro is also trying to go to 550, but let me document this. 541. If it achieves 541, I said it will try to achieve 550. 541, 549 hit at 12:20 p.m. Yeah. So another buy target from Wipro. The first one is happening. Good actually. So Tech Mahindra is trying M&M. It's also coming back. Wipro crossed 549.35 after a long struggle. It suddenly did that. Now our second target is 550, which should be done. Then Hindustan Unilever has already crossed first target, second target. Now it is trying to get this 2920 target, which is little tough for it. If it crossed 2915, then it'll be easy for them to go up. Okay, you can see 1630, the first target of Tech Mahindra it's trying to achieve here. You are witnessing that just 1628.30, 55. So this is 10 points down. Let's see how this is going to turn out. If you have an indicator, you can also see how it's going to go up or not. So everything is going down now. Let's see what are the other stuff we can bring it in. Indus India Bank is still surviving in the fourth place. So I think it's time to bring that in. We still have 30 minutes. So let me bring that and see. IndusInd Bank. So we are bringing a new one to the. You can see the downtrend which is happening in IndusInd. So let me check what is how much IndusInd can go back. Okay. So right now we are seeing IndusInd at 1428.20. So let me log that. IndusInd Bank. 1248. 0.20. At the time of we are logging in a very late time, 12:25 p.m. in our stream. But yes, we can predict something here. 1228. Let me predict the down one first because it's gonna do that. 1425. It's easy target. These are all easy targets. 1420. It's hard target. But if it touches 1240, it will touch 1415 easily. Okay, so these are all the targets on the downwards. And for upper side, I would say, so if it right, so the first target is 1225. If it touches this will touch here also. That's the analyzation. From there, I would say 1230 is easy doable. 1235, sorry, 1435 is a hard buy call, but if it touches there, it will go to 1440. But I don't think these two will be happening. Okay, so let me put this here. And also before putting, I just want to see the updation of what's happening on everything. This is coming down, good. So prediction starting at this. I don't want an anchor thing. It's very disturbing. Yeah. These are the buy targets. Sell targets. Done. Now the lines, will make it fast. Let's go to the sell lines first. 1425. Yeah. 1420. Yes. Once it touches, it will go to 1415, which we will draw later. In the same way, we will go for the green line, which is 1435. Yeah, it's almost there. If it touches, we'll go to 1440. Yes. Okay, so what else happening? This is getting stuck. It's not touching the second target. Yeah, and it's not going to the 550 because we already mentioned 549 itself is like a hard target, but if it touches, it has to go to 550, but it will breathe and it will go. Let's see, you can see the breathing is happening. Now it will try to grow up because of this much climbing, little bit of rolling down, then it will go to this. That's the concept. That's how it works. So you don't have to think too much on that. You can see it is pounding back again. Let me move all the buy targets so that you can see. Wipro, buy sell targets. So we started seeing it. Maybe I did wrong here. Yes, Indus India 1428. I mentioned in wrong way. 1428. Yes. Wipro is again coming to the base price. Tech Mahindra is, everyone is like, Tech Mahindra is trying a lot. It is not achieving properly. It tried its best. It tried to reach till 1629.30 or 50, something like that. Yeah, 50 it reached. 0.50 paise it couldn't do it to get the target, which is 1630. In the downside, it reached till 1618.15 only to get the sell target. Let's see now what happens, whether it comes down or what. Here, M&M tried a lot. We started seeing from 3136.50. From there, it achieved 3145. It achieved 3155. Then it achieved 3165 also. We didn't predict at 75. We predicted direct 80. So it touched that also. Now we are waiting for 3190, which is here. So it is taking some breathe. It is just pedaling in. Now we are discussing about Wipro buy target at 549, which is achieved here. And we are expecting to go to the 550, but it is coming very down. Hindustan Unilever, we got 2 hits on the buy target, which is one hit here on 2905 and another hit as on 2910. Because of too much flow, we targeted another hit also, which is 2920. But right now it is pedaling on 210 to 211. Let's see what happens. Indus Ind, we have a sell target mostly. We are targeting that. We documenting from 1.4 to 8. Right now it's going sideways. 1425 is our target. Let's see will it achieve it or not. So Mahindra, you can see instead of pedaling going up, it is still going down. So probably it will touch 3155 and try to go up from there. Now this line is not taking resistance, but I am seeing the halfway of this mountain. So it has to come down halfway sometimes and go up. If the market is trying to go up, it will do that. If the market is totally going to fall down, then it will go till 3135. It depends. Post lunch, the market is totally different. So after 12, everything changes. So we have 5 products here and 547.20 we got hit 549. So you can see Asian Paint is still there. Hindustan Unilever, from the first place it went to down. Bajaj Auto is also maintaining. BPCL entered new, and IndusInd Bank went a little bit down. It's not losing so much market here. And Techem, yeah, we're already seeing M&M. Infosys gained a lot of boost here. It's suddenly in the top three now. SBIN and Wipro also again gained some kind of movement. So we already have Tech Mahindra. We are watching it for a long time, and it is trying to achieve the buy target, not even the sell target, but even buy is also not that much. Maybe our base price 24 to 30 is only a 6 points difference, but still it is finding very hard to move on. Mahindra and Mahindra is trying to go up again. Wipro is totally coming down, is losing its total power, and Hindustan Unilever is trying to fight in the 2010 2910 and 2911 12 like that. I can see some kind of movement there. It can touch 2915. From there it will try to touch 2920. Let's wait for it. IndusInd Bank still in the base price. As I was saying earlier, M&M again touching that 3155 mark. From there it has to go up if the market is helping to grow up. Otherwise that will roll over to 3145 or 3135 like that. Wipro, there is a chance to hit the 549 mark again because it did only one time. There's a chance for that. Even for Hindustan Unilever, there's a chance to get to 2915 hit. IndusInd, finally it's breaking the point of 1426.50. 1.5 points to hit the sell target 1425. So today's first sell target we are doing, even though market is declining a lot, but we made a lot of buy targets today. If Indus India Bank touches 1425, that's our first sell target we are achieving today. Tech Mahindra predictions, nothing worked. So today, how many predictions we worked till now is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7 predictions gone right, and other predictions is still waiting to achieve. I want you guys to follow that and tell me what happened in the comment section. So as you can see, it's again trying. The green is coming in Mahindra. Wipro is rolling down. Hindustan Lever is trying to go up. Ind is trying to touch our target. Only 0.50 paise is there. 0.40, 0.25 And are we hitting 1425? 1425.30. 0.80, 0.70, 0.55. 0.45, 0.40, 0.35, 0.30. Again, it is bouncing up. 0.30, 0.20 we got again. A little bit more pull will touch 1425. 0.20 again. See how much struggle is happening to achieve that, to sell those orders at those prices. Yes, we touched down at 1243. 1425 got hit at 12:43 p.m. It's nice. In IndusInd Bank, we got one hit finally from the selling side. So we are dynamically performing here and there, total 8 products. So 28.20, like 25. So almost like 2.80 points here. Profit. You can see the total collective points profit we are getting. Let me check all the other stuff. What's happening? Tech Mahindra is trying to go up again. M&M is struggling. Wipro is going down and down. And Hindustan Unilever is trying to touch that 15 mark. But our target is at 20. Okay, so you can easily see 25. Now it's trying to touch 20. It already went up to 21, I think. Yeah. Right now it's 1422. So Indus India Bank is trying to touch the second target, which is 1420. It's a hard target actually. You can see, but if we touch this, 1415 is easy doable. But 1420 is, it's a little bit hard target for Indus India. But it went like a very full sweep here. But crossing this might be a huge for us. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. We have 15 minutes, 15 more minutes of live stream. Yeah. Tech Mahindra didn't happen anything. I think it's time to close Tech Mahindra because we are watching it from 11 o'clock, 11:10. Nothing happened from there. 1624, the price is 6. So we got a little bit here. Then it went up here and going down. So whenever you get 1624, you can just pull it out. Or if you are doing sell call, now also you can pull it out because 2 rupees, 3 rupees, it's down. This, as I said, 3155 is like a mark here. You can see like for past 10 minutes, nothing happened here. In this 15 minutes, you can see it is still pedaling in 3155 because that is the huge step mark. Now it has to climb up or climb down, roll over down. So it's taking a decision. Wipro, it's totally gone down now. We are expecting 549, which is done. 550, it couldn't do it. It fall down drastically. Again, will it go up? I don't think so because it fell very down. Now again 3 rupees up. I don't know. Maybe not in our live stream. Maybe it will happen after 1. Even this has to touch 2915 while I'm saying it was got touched. Because if that is happening, then many things will happen. As I said, after touching 2915, now it is going for 2917. Even IndusInd is actually trying to go down both 1420.30. You can see it is trying to touch the second target 1420, that hard target actually. Only 0.5 points are there and it got a touch at 1248. So we got 2 hits in this on IndusInd. So it's not 2.8. We are adding more 5 points to it, which is 7.8 points profit we got, which is very good. IndusInd. So I have a third more point, which is 15. I didn't put that line also for that because I wanted to achieve first. Now I am drawing the line for it, but I don't know whether that will go because let's wait and watch. And Hindustan Liver is trying to get its last target, which is 2920. It already achieved 1 target, 2 target, and the third target here. You can see I mentioned here also how many targets achieved. Wipro is trying to go down and up. Let's see. And you can see a bounce back from M&M also. In the climax of our stream, always something will happen at the time of 1. It's trying to come out. What about this Tech Mahindra? In Tech Mahindra, nothing is happening. It's like non-movable state right now. It's pedaling on the same price. Maybe it will happen after 1 o'clock. Because we took Tech Mahindra because it was performing, that's why. It was in the top 5 board in NSE 50 today. So don't even underestimate any stock here because they can perform whenever you underestimate it. You know, like they can perform anytime. We don't know when it is. We just only calculate, analyze the strategy, and be flexible in the market flow. These are your buy sell targets. So if it is touches 545, you are getting at least one Wipro buy hit and sell hit. Hindustan Unilever, yes, Indus is going on 1418. We want to touch 1415 to get the third sell target in Indus Bank. So today this particular bank segment is not doing that great. So 1417, before we close the stream, you can see 2 more rupees, it can touch the third target. Wipro has only 1 rupee, but to cross that 1 rupee, it's a huge for Wipro. It's not like M&M. That stock is work in a very different way. So once it happened, 12:55, all non-active. 12:55 p.m. I'm closing all non-active trades. Probably Tech Mahindra is on the list. Wipro also on the list. Wipro got one hit, so I'm gonna summarize that and I'm gonna close it on 12:55. So the last 5 minutes we'll be having only the products which is gonna perform. Wipro showing some kind of confidence, but I'm not sure because we don't have much time to wait and watch the market. You can do it. My live stream, I'm closing it. Maybe in 5-10 minutes, the live stream will be ended. So it is trying to touch again the third targets, fifth target, and second and third target is touching and crossing. It has to go to the fourth target again. M&M. So it's 12:55, and if you see Tech Mahindra, we were observing this from 11:08 a.m. at the price of 1624. We predicted buy like 1630, 35, 1640 as a hard targets. And in sell also we predicted 1615, 1610 and 1605. But nothing has been touched. You can see it never touched or any of this green line or the red line. So it was just going very smoothly in between. Maybe the numbers between this 24 to 30, it's like a huge mark for it because it touched actually till 29.30, which is 29.50, which is only 0.50 paise down to achieve this target, but it didn't happen. But in downside, it didn't even go. So because of that reason, I'm planning to close Tech Mahindra. IndusInd is struggling. Let's talk about the Wipro here. Wipro is trying hard. Wipro, we started at 547.20 at 11:26 a.m. morning. And I predicted buy targets like 549, which is a hard target, and 550 is the second easy target. If it achieves here, it can go up here. But it got hit at 12:20 here, you can see. Then it also went up till 49.60, which is 40 points less than to this target. From there, it starts falling down. It is now 46.25, which is 1 rupees down from the base price. We are also expecting 545 down, which is here, but I don't know, which is not going to happen because we are already late for our 2-hour stream time is done. So I'm also closing Wipro. Now let me check Indus, Unilever. Unilever is got stuck. I don't know what exactly happened in Unilever. Is it moving or not? Not happening anything. Okay, M&M, maybe I can close it now. M&M did very big targets today. So let me put everything here so that we can see. So we started at 11:20 a.m. on 313650. Okay. Then we got the first buy hit here, 3145, 3155, 3165, and 3180. We also predicted 3190, but it went till almost 3185. From there, it started falling down and it is again trying to come up. So that is the scenario of things. Sell targets, it didn't even go. So if you see from M&M point of view, Wipro got 1.8 points, M&M got 33 points. Okay, that's a very good thing, but we actually got more points, but I'm not adding 10 more points, which I didn't predicted it. Otherwise, it'll be like a 43 points we got from there. Trying to be a little ethical in that. That's very important. So M&M, we are trying to close now. Hindustan Unilever, yes, we started at 2895. 2895, and at 11:40 a.m. we got a, I predicted targets like 2905, 2910. Then I went for 2920 also, and sell targets in a different numbers. But we got buy targets hit at 11:49, which is here, 2905. Then 2910 also we got hit at 12:14 p.m. So we got two targets hit, which is you get 15 points from that. Now we are also trying to touch, you see while talking we also touch, that's a climax touch for you in Hindustan Unilever. We got 2920 also got touched. Here a sudden shift has been happened, which is nice. 20 hit. So Hindustan Unilever is extending its profit mark to us on 1 p.m. Good actually. So I'm not going to close it because I want to add this first. All the three things has been hit. So more 10 points we can add, which is 25 points. See how many points we are making here. So that's the thing. We got three hits back to back here, 11:49, 12:15, and 1 o'clock. We got the hit of three here. That's the proof. And in IndusInd, we started very late, 12:25 p.m., 1428.20, and we have a buy targets of this and that. We also have sell targets, but two sell targets has been done back to back again in 5 minutes of time. 12:43 we got of 1425 hit, which is here, and 1420 also here. We are also waiting to get the hit of 15, but it is not happening, so we are closing this. So the total profit we got from IndusInd Bank is 7.80 points, right? So two hits here. So how many things we got today? Two hits, right? Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and even this also we got. Four and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 predictions we did today. 10 targets hit actually. That's the achievement we did today in the live market. And we also gained how much, like 33 plus 5, 38, then 20, 48, 58, 58 plus 8, 64, 64.64 will become 65.60, something like that. This many points we achieved today. Total point is 65. So if you have 100 quantities on all these things, if you would have bought it into 65.6 times. So whatever the quantity you're buying, you can multiply with this number, you will get that profit. If you have 1000 quantities, you would have gained 65,000 rupees. If you would have 100 quantities in all this product, you would have 6,500. So that's how the math works. It's all about your capital, if your knowledge and all those things. Today we got 10 targets hit, and closing the Hindustan Unilever and also Indus India Bank. So to understand how this market works, and you also want to do this kind of independent trading, I want you to join this course, level 1, 20 days training. Give your name, number, and pay 3,000 and join the community to understand for the level 1, where you can learn all these things. Okay, we are also doing daily live streams. You can see the live streams here. Daily we are doing this live streams, so I want you to join this. And I also have a playlist of training which I'm creating. Slowly I'm building this community, so I want you to support this, and like, share, and subscribe this channel. And also we are in Insta, so get all the updates from all the social media handles. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is like a no trading day, so you don't get to see uh, you know a live stream because of Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. So see you on October 3rd. Thank you.